All right, day number 4 in the 2022 Star Wars Advent calendar here. Star Wars Lego calendar here, I should say. So let's go ahead and go with day number 4 here, and we'll get these guys out. As you can see, we had day number 1, day number 2, and day number 3. And so what we're going to do is we're going to do a different one of these each day. And if you have any questions while we go through this, please feel free to ask down below. All right, so this one, we have 3 that are out, so that's good. Sometimes these instructions are not always the best, but we will do our best here together to get this done. As you can see, there's a little green one right there, so we're going to put that guy in. Hopefully my camera angle is picking this up. And then we'll go ahead and take this guy and put that there. And then we've got this guy going over the green, like that. And then, let's see if we got this. This one here goes like that. All right. Then we need to put together the wings here. So we've got this one, we've got this one, and then looks like we've got this, which doesn't seem quite right, and we'll find out here in a minute why. I mean, that technically is right. That's definitely how it goes. I'm not sure yet why, but hopefully we'll get some other pieces here shortly that will put it together a little bit further, because that's typically what happens, like I said, with the other one. But figure this thing out here. And that would go like that. I don't know. We'll figure this out. And we've got one extra piece here, so we'll put that right there. All right, so this is day number 4. Let's move on to day number 5 tomorrow. Definitely stay tuned. We'll see how all of these go together.